Have you ever felt that despite your best efforts, you're not reaching your full potential? Imagine if there was an ancient practice that could unlock boundless energy and spiritual growth. Sri Aurobindo, a renowned spiritual teacher, offers profound insights on how semen retention can be a transformative practice. But before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Sri Aurobindo, a revered figure in modern spirituality, explored the intersections of physical vitality and spiritual enlightenment. His teachings reveal how semen retention, when practiced with intention and understanding, can be a powerful tool for harnessing energy and achieving higher states of consciousness. The spiritual foundation of semen retention. Sri Aurobindo's philosophy integrates Eastern spirituality with modern thought, presenting a holistic view of human potential. According to him, semen retention isn't merely about abstaining from sexual activity. It's about cultivating energy that can elevate both our physical and spiritual lives. For Sri Aurobindo, this practice is deeply intertwined with the concept of spiritual energy and its role in personal development. At the core of Aurobindo's teachings is the belief that semen is a vital life force, imbued with immense potential. This energy, when preserved and properly directed, can foster profound spiritual awakening and enhance one's overall vitality. The practice of semen retention, therefore, is not just a physical discipline, but a spiritual journey towards higher consciousness. The physical benefits of semen retention. Practicing semen retention offers a range of physical benefits that extend beyond simple abstinence. When we conserve this vital energy, our bodies undergo significant changes. Increased energy levels, enhanced mental clarity, and improved physical stamina are some of the immediate benefits. Aurobindo's teachings suggest that preserving semen helps balance the body's vital forces, leading to improved health and vitality. This practice supports the body's natural rhythms and enhances its capacity for healing and regeneration. For those engaged in rigorous physical activities or demanding mental tasks, semen retention provides a steady source of energy and resilience. Cultivating inner strength and clarity. One of the most compelling aspects of semen retention, according to Aurobindo, is its impact on mental clarity and inner strength. When we conserve our sexual energy, it redirects this vital force towards intellectual and spiritual pursuits. This shift fosters greater focus, creativity, and emotional stability. Sri Aurobindo emphasized that energy conserved through semen retention should be channeled into practices that nurture the mind and spirit. Activities such as meditation, contemplation, and self-inquiry become more potent as this stored energy enhances our capacity for introspection and insight. By focusing our energy on these practices, we cultivate inner strength and clarity, which are essential for spiritual growth. Enhancing emotional and spiritual well-being. Semen retention is not just about physical or mental benefits, it also profoundly impacts emotional and spiritual well-being. Aurobindo believed that when we harness this vital energy, we create a foundation for emotional stability and spiritual development. The practice helps in moderating emotional extremes and fostering a sense of inner peace. By conserving energy, individuals often experience a reduction in anxiety and stress, leading to a more balanced and serene state of mind. This emotional equilibrium supports a deeper connection with the self and the divine, facilitating a richer spiritual experience. Transforming relationships and social life. In addition, the retention of sperm can alter the way in which we connect with other people and organize our social lives. According to Sri Aurobindo, the energy that is retained through this exercise has the potential to improve our social connections by building a stronger feeling of empathy and understanding. When our energy is firmly established, we are able to approach our relationships with a greater capacity for patience and compassion. Because of this change, not only do our personal connections become better, but we also become better able to make a constructive contribution to the communities in which we live. By directing the energy that we have preserved into acts of kindness and service, we are able to cultivate deeper connections with those around us and have a more significant impact on their lives. Practical steps to integrate semen retention. To effectively integrate semen retention into your life, Begin by setting clear intentions. Define why you want to practice semen retention and how it aligns with your personal and spiritual goals. Having clear intentions helps you stay focused and committed to the practice. Next, develop a routine that supports your goals, incorporating techniques for managing urges and maintaining focus. Include activities that channel your energy into positive pursuits, creating a structured approach that reinforces your practice. Practicing mindfulness is another crucial step. Engage in mindfulness practices, such as meditation and reflection, to enhance self-awareness and emotional stability. This mindfulness will support your commitment to semen retention, helping you remain grounded and centered. Additionally, seek support from like-minded individuals or support groups who share your commitment. Connecting with others who are on the same path provides encouragement and guidance as you navigate the practice. Finally, make it a habit to reflect on your progress regularly. Assess how semen retention impacts your life and consider how it contributes to your personal growth, mental clarity, and overall well-being. By following these practical steps, you can effectively integrate semen retention into your daily routine, reaping the benefits of this ancient practice. This approach not only enhances your personal growth, but also aligns with Aurobindo's spiritual teachings on harnessing energy for higher consciousness, the religious and spiritual context. In the realm of Sri Aurobindo's teachings, semen retention is deeply embedded in a broader religious and spiritual context that draws from ancient traditions and modern spirituality. For Aurobindo, semen retention is not merely a physical practice, but a profound spiritual discipline that aligns with his vision of human evolution and enlightenment. Semen, in many Eastern traditions, is considered a vital essence or life force. In Hindu philosophy, it is often regarded as a potent source of creative and spiritual energy. Aurobindo built upon this ancient belief, emphasizing that preserving semen is a way to conserve and channel divine energy. This energy, when managed wisely, can lead to significant personal and spiritual transformation. Aurobindo's perspective integrates these traditional views with his own spiritual insights. He saw semen retention as a means of harmonizing and elevating the life force within us, ultimately supporting the pursuit of higher consciousness. This practice, according to Aurobindo, helps individuals connect with their higher selves and the divine forces that shape their existence. In Aurobindo's framework, semen retention aligns with the broader goals of spiritual evolution. It is viewed as a tool for enhancing spiritual practices like meditation and self-inquiry. By conserving and redirecting this vital energy, practitioners can deepen their spiritual experiences and achieve greater alignment with their divine purpose. Moreover, the practice of semen retention in Aurobindo's teachings is also linked to the concept of inner transformation. He believed that by mastering this discipline, individuals could achieve a higher state of self-awareness and personal growth. This transformation is not only physical, but also spiritual, leading to a more profound connection with the universe and the divine. Aurobindo's approach underscores the importance of integrating physical practices with spiritual aspirations. By understanding and applying the principles of semen retention within this religious and spiritual context, practitioners can cultivate a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. This holistic view highlights the practice's significance in achieving spiritual awakening and personal evolution, aligning with Aurobindo's broader vision of human potential and divine connection. Embracing the journey of transformation. Embracing semen retention as a spiritual practice is a journey of transformation and self-discovery. Sri Aurobindo's teachings guide us to see this practice as an opportunity to unlock our highest potential and achieve greater harmony within ourselves and with the universe. By conserving and channeling this vital energy, we embark on a path of personal growth, emotional balance, and spiritual awakening. The journey requires dedication and patience, but the rewards are profound. As we cultivate inner strength and clarity, we move closer to our true selves and align with the divine forces that guide our existence. Sri Aurobindo's teachings on semen retention offer a powerful framework for integrating spiritual practices into our daily lives. By understanding and applying these principles, we can harness the transformative energy within us and achieve greater fulfillment in all areas of life. As you explore this practice, remember that it is a personal journey that requires commitment and reflection. Embrace the process with an open heart and mind, and allow the teachings of Sri Aurobindo to guide you toward a deeper understanding of yourself and your spiritual path. If you found this exploration of Sri Aurobindo's teachings on semen retention enlightening, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments and let us know how you plan to incorporate these spiritual practices into your life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more transformative insights with you in our future videos.